Hi everyone, today we're going to unbox what we've all been waiting for, iPad Pro 2020 11 inches. And so you can see here the iPad, the pencil, and some accessories. Okay, it's one of my daughters who will do the unboxing for me. So we'll start with the iPad Pro. This is the gray.
The most exciting part.
Yeah. You should have unboxed that last then. Just kidding. Dun, da, da, da. Ta-da! You can show first the one inside. No, I mean this one.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Okay.
Oh, it's so satisfying. Okay. So this is the
Documentation, the sticker,
information
and
sticker.
most of the people doesn't read that, so I do not know.
But if you want more information, you can go there. Okay, here it's a
USB-C to USB-C cable.
yes, and
The charging block.
yeah,
It's in Europe, so it's like this. Okay. Nothing more?
and there's a cover.
Yeah, nothing more. Okay. You can cover it back, darling.
Wait. Oh, it's just satisfying to unbox a block. Okay, now let's go to the most important part. Okay, so oh, it's tin.
Ta-da! Okay, so continue with the pencil, darling.
It's the most important we have to show. Okay. Now the pencil.
On the other side, too. It's upside down.
So this is again some informations.
There's no sticker in that. Second generation pencil, of course.
It's smaller.
You can remove the plastic, darling.
I was gonna. Oh, it's matte.
Mm-hmm.
So it's matte and it's smaller, and this.
I think it's a bit shorter.
No, wait, it's not focusing. This is the protective tablet case.
The accessories arrived prior to the iPad because
it was hard to find it easily, so we searched where we could
it's on Amazon.
to now receive it. Okay, so this is somewhat grayish, but it's still a bit transparent.
Well, actually, there's this another case that will arrive. That's the one that I bought, but that one will take time. So I said, why not buy a cheaper one? You can try it on.
So it's nicely,
It's silicone.
it's flexible, really nice. It makes the color of the tablet looks a bit darker. It means we can do like,
Yeah.
satisfying. Papa's gonna love that. Okay.
This is USB-C to 3.5 jack. This one is iNasen, and there's a container.
No, that's not the thing.
USB-C to 3.5. And the last one, which I will not put right now or not video it because I'm kind of stressed to put this one. It's a paper-like 11-inch with nano dots. I think this is the second version of the paper-like cover, and it has 2 pieces in it. So that's how it looks like. It says it's with nano dots, so that's the second paper-like version. So what's included in this is the usual. There's this cloth, then there are some stickers, and then they have this card, and then that's it. This is the unboxing of the iPad Pro 2020 11 inches. Thank you for watching.